Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Manes here, and I'm here with another video on BitDoctor AI. So I'm going to show you how to solve the problem of first scanning and how to do the project entirely. AI, BitDoctor AI, just as it is right here. You search for it and then you install. So as you can see, the review here is quite poor because I don't know, it's not because the app is scam or anything, but mostly people are complaining of the first scan issue. So that is what I'm trying to address here. So the first scan issue, this is what this person said: I had a very bad experience with your scanner. I can't pass a successful scan. And there is a lot of, this other person said bad information. The app is a is in bad formation. I downloaded it up to a week and only scan one time. So all these are kind of very misleading because it gives you an impression that the app is scam. Meanwhile, it isn't. Maybe they are the ones doing it wrong, or maybe their phone doesn't have access to some of these things, because it depends on the version of phone that you're using. A couple of persons don't have issue with BitDoctor AI scanning system. So I will just download the app and show you what I'm talking about. So I've downloaded the app. So once you do this, you can basically just click on, you have to let it allow it to access your camera and everything. So that's just the first step. So basically that's this first step. So if you're a new user, what you have to do now is click on register. Once you click on register, they will tell you whether you want to use your email or Google. If you want to use Google, you can just select Google here and then use your Google account. But if you want to use an email, basically this is what you do. Let me just say vince@gmail.com. So once you do that, you click on next, and then an OTP will be sent to your phone. So once the OTP is sent, you enter, and after you must have done that, you enter the OTP. The next thing that they will ask you is to enter your referral code. Enter this code arrow2 WIROM1. So enter this referral code right here, which of course will give you a bonus, of course, and connect your X account. Once you do that, you are good to go. So since I have an account already, I'm going to log in. So as you can see, I have successfully logged in. To scan your face, you basically have to scroll down and go to this place, then scan your face, connect your X account, and share all these news to get this points. You get about 150 points for this, 100 points, and then 150 points, that's life tokens for this. So if you scan your face consistently for 7 days, you get 250 life tokens for free consistently. So as you can see, I've already scanned for today, and my general health is showing 62, which is not so bad, but it's not so critical, but it's kind of low. Of course, I've been sick, and that's kind of what this means. So when you scan, you get this chakra. Of course, if you get this chakra consistently for 300 times, you get a boost in your allocation. So basically that's all. So here is my referral code. As you can see, use this referral code right here to register to get a bonus to start. This project will be listing in I think by first quarter of this year, which is probably to be by next month, which is March. This project didn't start very long, so you can actually catch up if you just continuously scan your face, and you can participate also in the minting of the NFT, and of course that's very good. So if you want to scan your face, you just click on this start. They said I've already completed it, so that's just basically what you do every day. You can do it twice a day if you want to. It's still free. As you can see, this countdown, this thing right here, there is counting down. Once it counts out to 0, you can scan again. So that's just it. That's the benefit. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Of course, join our WhatsApp community. Links will be in the description of this video. See you on another video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.